Chevy van for 1980. A rugged workhorse, built tough to do the job. Big on value and load capacity. For delivery, service calls, or just about any kind of business use. It's available in 110 or 125-inch wheelbases with varying payload capacities to meet specific load-carrying demands. And for specific vocational applications, there are a number of special commercial packages available. Chevy vans have short overall lengths for good maneuverability in city traffic, yet they're big inside for good load capacity. The 125-inch wheelbase van provides over 14 feet of maximum loading length with 296 cubic feet of cargo space. Chevy's wide tread design provides nearly 4.5 feet of space between rear wheel housings to accommodate wide cargo. High and wide door openings provide easy loading and unloading. Rear doors can be opened a full 180 degrees for easy dock loading. The convenient sliding side door opens easily with one hand. Lightweight unitized body construction gives Chevy vans impressive payload capacities in 10, 20, or 30 series. G10 series vans can haul up to 2,125 pounds of gross payload, including passengers, cargo, and options. For heavier cargo, there's the G20 series, with gross payloads up to 2,660 pounds. G30 is Chevy's hardest working van, with gross payloads up to 4,244 pounds and a maximum GVWR of 8,600 pounds. Chevy van delivers the value and toughness that makes it a sound truck investment for the 80s. Vans and sport vans are built tough to do the job, yet they rival many passenger cars with their comfort and convenience features and options. Chevy's high seat position, short hood, and large glass area provide impressive visibility. Instruments and controls are designed for easy reading and fingertip access. Between the driver and front passenger is a functional engine cover that features a convenient storage bin, parcel tray, beverage holders, and a wide ashtray, all within easy reach. Chevy's power ventilation starts as soon as the ignition key is turned on. Chevy offers optional factory air conditioning. And there's an available unit that can be added for the rear compartment. An optional comfort tilt steering wheel adjusts to 6 different driving positions. Power front windows are also available, as well as optional intermittent windshield wipers for light rain and drizzle, and cruise control for models equipped with V8 engines and automatic transmissions. There's also a full lineup of transistorized Delco radios available, including AM/FM stereo with cassette player or AM/FM with CB unit. Chevy's standard bucket seats are designed with plenty of thick urethane foam padding supported by calibrated steel springs. For improved appearance in 1980, Chevy's available high-back bucket seats have been restyled to provide a wider contour at the top of the backrest. Or for the optimum in van seating comfort, choose the available swivel reclining high-back buckets. Embossed black rubber stepwell mats are available for all entry steps. Security features for 1980 are a new rotating lock knob on the inside of the sliding side door, a new push-button lock for the front vent window, available power door lock system that locks all doors with a flick of a single switch, and an available anti-theft alarm system actuated by a separate key switch. Also new for 1980, Chevy offers available one-way glass for sun protection and privacy. It's hard to see in, but easy to see out. Chevy vans and sport vans have extra value designed into every comfort and convenience feature.